Good afternoon, dear professors, dear students. English philology, but it was 20 years ago. So I'm teaching master degree students. Scaffolded, project-based learning, digital tools. And then first of all, let's talk what is PBL, what are the strategies, discuss what to do, how to solve the problem. They will be able to use the language. So I had conducted a small case study, motivation, interest, wants, lacks, necessities can lead us to professionalism. When we support our learners, then they will be able to understand what. Of course, they ask questions, background knowledge, and build creativity and modeling. That means we practice with them and role play in the classroom. So that means PBL was effective. So what we can do for listening and speaking skill-based lesson.
Ilm, fan va ta'limda metodik kompetentlik, tarjima va ilmiy tadqiqotlarning dolzarb masalalari mavzusidagi Respublika ilmiy-amaliy konferensiyasidagi faol ishtiroki va qo'shgan hissasi uchun Ingliz filologiyasi fakulteti nomidan, qolaversa universitetimiz nomidan tashakkurnoma bilan taqdirlanadi doktor Rima Sotlikova.
Xuddi shu mazmunda Tojiboyev
ilm yo'lidagi faoliyatingizga ulkan zafarlar tilaymiz.